Ever heard of someone striking it rich with Bitcoin? Maybe you've seen the soaring charts for Ethereum or Dogecoin. The world of cryptocurrency is a whirlwind of possibilities, but before you jump in, there's a crucial step: funding your account. So, can you fuel your crypto adventure by simply transferring money from your bank account? The answer: absolutely. In today's video, we'll dive into the details of transferring funds from your bank to Kraken, a popular and secure cryptocurrency exchange. Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Cryptocurrencies are a volatile market. What goes up can just as easily come crashing down. This video won't be financial advice, but rather a guide to navigate the mechanics of funding your Kraken account. Alright, with the disclaimers out of the way, let's get started. Why use Kraken? While there are a plethora of cryptocurrency exchanges out there, Kraken stands out for a few reasons. They boast a user-friendly interface for both beginners and seasoned traders. Additionally, Kraken prioritizes security with two-factor authentication and strong encryption protocols. Most importantly for our purposes today, Kraken offers a variety of ways to fund your account, including bank transfers. The transfer process, a step-by-step breakdown. Here's where things get exciting. Let's walk through the process of transferring money from your bank account to Kraken. Step 1. Sign into your Kraken account. This might seem obvious, but it's the first step. Head to Kraken's website and log into your account. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to create an account first, which is a fairly straightforward process. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once you're logged in, locate the funding section on the Kraken platform. This is usually found on the navigation bar or your account dashboard. Step 3. Choose your deposit currency. Kraken supports a variety of fiat currencies, like US dollars, euros, and Japanese yen, which you can use to fund your account. Select the currency that matches your bank account. Step 4. Pick your deposit method. Here comes the key part: choosing the deposit method. Look for an option that says bank transfer or a similar term. Step 5. Review the deposit instructions. This is crucial. Kraken will provide detailed instructions for your bank transfer. These instructions will include recipient information. This includes the bank account name and number where you'll be sending your funds. Reference code. This is a unique identifier that helps Kraken track your deposit and assign it to your account. Be extra careful when copying this code. Minimum deposit amount. There might be a minimum amount you need to transfer to cover processing fees. Deposit processing time. This lets you know how long it typically takes for the funds to appear in your Kraken account. Step 6. Head over to your online bank. Now it's time to switch gears and log into your online banking platform. Step 7. Initiate a transfer. Locate the transfer section in your online banking and initiate a new transfer. Here's where the information you gathered from Kraken comes in handy. Carefully enter the recipient information, including the account name, number, and the all-important reference code. Step 8. Double-check and confirm. Before hitting that final send button, take a moment to double-check all the details you entered. Typos here can cause delays or even lost funds. Once you're confident everything is correct, confirm the transfer. Step 9. Wait for confirmation. Your bank transfer is now on its way. The processing time can vary depending on your bank, but Kraken will typically update your account balance within a few business days. Congratulations! You funded your Kraken account. With your account funded, you're now ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, this is just the first step. Before diving headfirst into buying and selling, take some time to research different cryptocurrencies and understand the associated risks. Bonus tip: explore different funding methods. While bank transfers are a reliable option, Kraken offers other funding methods like credit cards and e-wallets. Each method may have its own fees and processing times, so be sure to compare them before choosing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.